Join the legacy of excellence with HJ Bosch Sons, a name synonymous with top-quality vehicle repairs since 1969. Founded by Drick Bosch and his son Henny Bosch, our journey began over 5 decades ago, rooted in a commitment to superior service and customer satisfaction. In 2011, Tion Bosch took the helm, expanding our operations to 4 successful shops and developing a robust franchise model that is now growing across South Africa. At HJ Bosch Sons, we combine tradition with innovation, using state-of-the-art technology and equipment to deliver exceptional repair services. Our comprehensive range of services includes precise chassis straightening, seamless paintless dent repair, and premium spray painting with PPG refinish paint. Becoming an HJ Bosch Sons franchisee means joining a network of dedicated professionals committed to excellence and customer satisfaction. Our franchise model offers extensive support, including initial training, ongoing assistance, and marketing support to ensure your success. Benefit from a proven business model with strong brand recognition and a growing market. Our franchisees enjoy lucrative financial rewards and the satisfaction of running a respected and thriving business. With our expanding network, there are ample opportunities to establish your own HJ Bosch Sons franchise in various locations across South Africa. Join us in continuing the legacy of HJ Bosch Sons. Become part of our family and grow with a brand that stands for quality and excellence. Contact us today to learn more about franchise opportunities with HJ Bosch Sons. HJ Bosch Sons, excellence in every repair.